Imagine standing atop the highest point in Hong Kong, your gaze sweeping over a cityscape that seems to stretch into infinity. This is Victoria Peak, a pinnacle of natural beauty and urban sophistication that offers breathtaking views unlike any other spot on Earth. At Victoria Peak, the world is at your fingertips. From the summit, you can witness the convergence of old and new, where centuries-old trees coexist with shimmering skyscrapers. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of Hong Kong's thriving metropolis fades into the tranquil, verdant landscape of the peak. But Victoria Peak is not just about the views. It's a place teeming with activities, offering something for everyone. For the gourmands among you, a culinary journey awaits at the peak. From fine dining to casual eateries, the restaurants here serve up a delightful mix of local and international cuisines. Each bite is a celebration of flavors, each meal a memory in the making. For those who find joy in retail therapy, Victoria Peak is a shopper's paradise. Its shopping complex, the Peak Galleria, is home to an array of boutiques and stores. Here you can find everything from high-end fashion to unique souvenirs. Shopping at the Peak is more than a pastime, it's an experience. And for those of you with an adventurous spirit, the Peak offers a multitude of hiking trails. These trails wind through lush greenery, leading you to hidden gems and stunning vistas. Each step you take is a step closer to nature, each breath of fresh air a reminder of the world's beauty. Victoria Peak also houses the world-renowned Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. This attraction brings together the glitz and glamour of Hollywood, the allure of the royal family, and the charm of local celebrities. It's a place where you can rub shoulders with wax figures of your favorite stars and make memories that will last a lifetime. But perhaps the best thing about Victoria Peak is that it's a place that should be experienced firsthand. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of Hong Kong, where you can watch as the city wakes up in the morning and falls asleep at night. It's a place that captivates, enchants, and leaves you longing for more. So why wait? Victoria Peak is calling out to you. Come and witness its beauty, indulge in its offerings, and create memories that you'll cherish forever. Because Victoria Peak is not just a destination, it's an experience, and it's an experience that awaits you.